Hi there, students. Restless. Literally unable to rest. An adjective or even an adverb, restlessly. So if somebody is restless, they're agitated, they're bored, they're nervous, they're not satisfied to be at rest. They are fidgeting or fiddling with something. So I had a very restless night. I didn't sleep well. I woke up various times and then went back to sleep. The chickens sound restless. I better go and check there's not a fox about. So something that's restless, or somebody never still, always moving. The restless sea, or the restless people of the big city. So if you're restless, you're unsatisfied. I'm restless about this matter. My conscience is pricking me. The kids are getting restless. I think we should take them to the park. A hungry animal is restless. So I'm certain that many of you have been locked down in your houses for many days and you're starting to feel restless. Yeah, you want to go out, you want to do things, you're not happy, you're not contented just being in your house. You've seen all the videos and TV series you want. You've done everything you want and you just want to go out. Go out with your friends. You are restless. Yeah? He restlessly fiddled with his pen. He restlessly paced up and down the room. So, that's restless. We've got a nice little phrase as well with restless. The natives are restless. This is a comment you could make, slightly humorous, when you see a group of agitated people. Maybe they're two people shouting at each other outside a pub. The natives are restless. Or angry customers in a shop. The natives are restless. So you're saying that they're not happy, there are problems. It's just a slightly humorous way of putting it. So, next question. What about formality? Restless. I think it's probably ever so slightly on the formal side. Maybe 5.5 in formality. But you could use it in an informal conversation and it sounds great in a formal document. So, restless and restlessly. Agitated, bored, nervous, fidgety, fiddling with things, can't relax. And that's restless. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Restless.